Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Georgie and today I'm going to share with you some techniques that you can utilize to help reduce your stress and anxiety levels. So if you are new to my channel or if you're returning and have not yet subscribed, go ahead and scroll on down, find that red subscribe button, hit it and the little bell icon right next to it so that you can be notified every single time I upload. Alright guys, let's get into today's video. Before we begin, I want to say that having stress and anxiety is a completely normal and natural part of life, and having some stress is actually good for you. So if you want to know about the different types of stress and the effects that it has on your body, I will leave a video that I made linked down below. Also, I will leave a card in the right hand corner so you can quickly go and watch that. Alright, let's get into the different techniques that you can utilize. The first technique that you can utilize is mindfulness. Now, this took me so long to understand and figure out how to put in practice because I really didn't know what mindfulness is. So, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is where you focus on the present moment in a non-judgmental way. If you're like me, you may get stuck in thought loops over things that have happened in the past or all of the stuff that you have to do in the future. And for me, that causes great stress and anxiety. So whenever I am feeling like that, I begin to practice mindfulness. So how do you practice mindfulness? First off, you want to start by committing yourself to the present moment. And once you have done that, engage your five senses. Figure out what is around you and listen and observe without being judgmental or critical of what is around you. After you do that and you feel ready and capable, then try and connect with what is around you. If you have a task to do, try and connect with that task and get it done. If you're trying to talk with someone or figure out an issue with someone, then that is the time that you can really focus on that person. Since I have been doing this, I have seen a huge improvement, not only in my emotional state and my mental state, but also in all of my relationships. The next technique that you can utilize is meditation. I've spoken briefly about meditation before, but meditation and mindfulness can be very similar. Whenever you are meditating, you are focusing on your breath and trying not to attach to any feelings or thoughts that you may be having. But it is completely natural for your mind to wander and for you to feel uncomfortable. Whenever that starts to happen, just bring yourself back and focus on your breath. If you'd like to learn more about how to meditate and all of the little things that go into it, I'll leave a video linked down below. The third technique that you can utilize are breathing exercises. Now this does sound very similar to meditation and even mindfulness, but whenever I don't have time to meditate or I'm not in a place where I can meditate, I focus on breathing exercises. And what I do is I take a slow breath in for 4 slow counts and then I exhale for 4 slow counts. And I do this as many times as I need to until I feel ready and capable to take on what may have been stressing me out or making me anxious. The fourth technique that you can utilize is time management. I meticulously schedule every single second of my life, and even though that seems excessive, whenever you have the ability to see everything that you need to do and take care of and put it with a specific time and make sure that you have time for yourself in between everything can really help reduce your stress and anxiety. Finally, we are at our last technique, which is practice all of your stress management or relaxation techniques whenever you are not overwhelmed or feeling stressed out and anxious. Whenever you do this, whenever you practice, whenever you're feeling good, you are setting up a good healthy habit that will become an automatic response whenever you are feeling stressed out, anxious, or overwhelmed. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you'd like to know more about how you can manage your stress and anxiety, let me know in the comment section down below and I will definitely make more videos. Also, if you'd like to follow me in between videos, you can follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, and if you haven't subscribed just yet, go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye!